Similar to Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, XRP is another old cryptocurrency that is older than 99% of the cryptocurrencies but hasn't surged yet. And we all know why. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel Tech Hub, where you will be always getting your daily dose of news about NFT, crypto, blockchain, DeFi and Web3 halves. And it is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor and everything in this video is not financial advice. So before getting into any latest news around XRP, you guys need to understand what XRP is. So without any further delay, let's start with what is XRP. Ripple's native cryptocurrency is XRP, which was developed by Ripple Labs Inc. as a cryptocurrency payment system. Ripple's XRP is a digital asset created for global payments, meaning that the company intends to compete with traditional bank-to-bank money transfers. Users of XRP would be able to send money at a very low cost, garnering the interest of both ordinary customers and banks. Ripple's core value proposition is its ultra-low transaction fees and transaction finality of under 5 seconds. Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb started the firm in 2012, and it is based on the work of Ryan Fugger, who invented the XRP ledger in 2012. The XRP ledger is a peer-to-peer cryptographic ledger that is powered by a network of nodes. McCaleb eventually left Ripple and developed Stellar, a cryptocurrency focused on payments. Ripple pursued high-level collaborations with Bank of America, Santander, and Standard Chartered after rebranding from its former moniker OpenCoin to Ripple. Ripple, on the other hand, quickly ran afoul of U.S. regulatory authorities for failing to comply with the Bank Secrecy Acts and was subsequently branded as an unregistered security. As of early 2022, this litigation has yet to be resolved. Furthermore, the company has been accused of deceptive advertising since its inception. Now let's get into how XRP works. The XRP ledger, XRPL, does not use a proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, algorithm like the Bitcoin blockchain or the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain. Instead, the XRP ledger uses the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol to validate account balances and complete transactions. The XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol is said to be more efficient than other methods of blockchain consensus. Independent participants maintain the XRP ledger. An agreement, consensus, among independent validators is required for each transaction to be successful. Any entity has the option of acting as a validator. XRPL creates ledgers, rather than blocks, which are partitioned portions of the main chain that each contain specific information. Every ledger contains data such as account totals, data relating to the previous ledger in the chain, and more. The agreement of a particular number of validators is required for transactions and network changes. Each block, ledger, processing transactions takes 3 to 5 seconds for the XRP ledger to confirm. This is significantly faster than Bitcoin's block time of 10 minutes. Now moving forward, let's find out how Ripple Network works. We all know how crucial speed is in today's environment. Participants in the traditional, institutional money transfer sector must deal with each other on a worldwide scale, effectively figuring out how to operate with diverse systems that may or may not be easily compatible. RippleNet is essentially a global network that adheres to a set of guidelines and rules, making interactions between users simpler, smoother, and more transparent while lowering costs and transaction times. Due to the various systems involved in the process, traditional centralized financial institutions can take days to execute transactions. This can make the present landscape slow, error-prone, and costly, and have a detrimental influence on corporate transaction efficiency. RippleNet also has an on-demand liquidity, ODL, function, which eliminates the requirement for pre-funding in cross-border transactions. So, how does ODL function? When one entity wants to move money across national borders, it may have different currencies on hand. If one partner lives in Sweden, for example, they may not want to receive Canadian dollars. RippleNet's ODL can support transactions with each side sending and receiving their native currency by using XRP as a go-to between two separate fiat kinds. When it comes to the speed, efficiency, and cost of communication and data movement, the traditional world of money transfer is out of date as a result of technological innovation. Ripple solutions are aimed at bringing the global money transfer world up to speed in the long run. Sending money worldwide in the traditional world, as far as centralized financial institutions are concerned, might include several procedures. Transaction timings and prices vary, but they are normally expensive and take a day or two to complete, with the sender incurring the transaction costs. RippleNet, on the other hand, shortens transaction times and lowers transaction costs. Now I hope you guys are clear on how XRP and Ripple work, and if there is any confusion let me know below in the comment box. And as always for individuals or businesses, there are always some advantages and disadvantages to consider, and same as with XRP. So let's start with XRP's benefits. Ripple's mission is to solve problems and open doors. People usually have to wait days for cross-border payments, depending on the type of payment and the countries involved. Ripple's solutions aim to cut costs while also improving speed and efficiency. RippleNet also has a large number of participants, thus the solution is not unusual. The more traditional organizations that join Ripple's solution, the larger the impact Ripple will have in the future, according to the increasing network phenomenon. And now is the time to discuss the disadvantages of choosing XRP Ripple. Ripple is attempting to establish itself as a competitor to SWIFT, the industry leader in a crowded financial technology space. In the traditional world, changing the status quo can be difficult, time-consuming, and will eventually necessitate transitions and accompanying education. Ripple has competitors in the crypto realm, like Stellar, in addition to SWIFT. Even while Ripple has the first-mover advantage, it must continue to innovate and expand its network. Because the crypto sector is so new in comparison to traditional finance, regulation has been hazy. Should regulatory agencies just apply existing traditional rules and standards to the crypto realm, or should they design new laws that better fit this new wave of innovation? One example of such regulatory difficulties is the SEC suit against Ripple. Ripple would need a clearer judgment from regulatory authorities on what type of asset categorization XRP comes under before it could replace legacy systems with XRP in any capacity. And now is time to discuss every latest news around XRP. Because XRP has potential but is bound by some things like a case between SEC and Ripple, so let's see where it is heading and some other developments too. Starting with the announcement by Ripple Labs, the originator of XRP, of a $1 billion XRP award to developers, the news sent shockwaves across the community. 1 billion XRP is worth about $830 million at current pricing, making it one of the greatest donations in the cryptoverse. The funding, according to Ripple Labs, is focused on open-source applications on the XRP ledger, which was created for enterprise remittance support. The award will be distributed over 10 years, with technical and business help provided to selected projects. Over 50 projects have received grants to build on the XRP ledger, XRPL, so far, with a total of $6 million distributed. Further, Jeremy Hogan, an attorney in CRI, PTO legal specialist, believes the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, action against Ripple could be settled soon. The SEC has been ordered to turn over any drafts or emails related to a 2018 lecture by William Hinman, the former director of the Commission's Division of Corporate Finance. Hinman stated in his lecture that Ethereum, ETH, is not a security. The Securities and Exchange Commission, on the other hand, is contesting the publication of those documents, claiming that their materials are irrelevant. Finally, the most important piece of news today that could help boost the price of XRP is that XRP, the coin that powers the XRP ledger, XRPL, will be accessible via other blockchains. Multichain has implemented support for the XRPL to connect it with Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and non-EVM compatible blockchains, according to an official announcement. The addition of XRP to its solution intends to increase the interconnectedness of the crypto industry. And that's the end of the video, but still if you have any questions about anything or if you think I have missed any point, then as I have said earlier, do mention that below in the comment box. Now if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech Hub. Until then, goodbye.